Happening, guys, coming at you today from downforsoundshop.com, and we're going to get into some frequently asked questions in here in the rapid fire style. But first, my name is Johnathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into this. I got my handy dandy cellular device here, and we're going to go through some questions that we've seen in the comments here recently. Don't forget, if you have any questions pertaining to car audio, drop them in the comments, and if we see them, we'll try to answer them for you. And if I don't know the answer for them, maybe somebody else in the comments or that watches my videos might know them. First off, we have Amador, Z-U-N-I-G-A. Okay, serious question. Will D4S offer any budget-friendly alternators, or are you planning to make any under the D4S brand? Not at this time. Like, I don't have any plans on doing anything with alternators. We have a great relationship with MechMan, and they offer a great product, and they offer us great dealer support and customer support, so it's just a good thing. So there's no reason for me to get into trying to sell alternators or brand alternators under the Down for Sound name. Next person is Martin Olivas. Hey JP, I have a constant buzz coming out of my subs, not engine noise or whine. When accelerating, they buzz even before the head unit is on. Any thoughts? That's very weird that it does it without the head unit even on. So that's making me think that your system's staying on all the time, or you have, I think if it had to be something, I would guess is it's a bad RCA, because if you pull out an RCA like while your system is on, if you pull it out barely, you can get like that type of buzz. If I think you're talking about the same buzz that I'm talking about, I would check into the RCAs. Earl, next one is Earl Greer. Question, JP, why do alternators perform better in cold weather? What is this strange phenomenon? You would think it would be the other way around. I know what you're talking about. I don't know exactly why it does it, but all the base heads like cold weather, because usually when you start up your vehicle in cold weather, you get a little bit higher on the voltage. So if it's usually 14.7, 14.8 voltage on your start in the summertime, you could get 15.1 or 15.3. So all base heads are super excited about it, and because they think just because they have a few tenths of a volt higher, they're going to get some crazy better performance. But it can perform better because it's cooler. Usually electrical components get less efficient the hotter they get. They put out less power, so it can be, but as far as it doing higher voltage when it's cold, I'm not exactly sure why it does that. So maybe if you know the answer, or somebody watching this video knows the answer, you can post it in the comments below, and we can both learn from it. All right, next person is Kado1. So I have a rookie question. What speaker would JP recommend using? One, me, JP95, channel 1 to 2, coaxial or super tweeter. Probably under 6.5 would be preferable. Just wondering what another would try. You could actually do either one of those if you wanted to. You could do a coaxial on there, or you could do a super tweeter. You could do a mid. So it's really up to you. If it was me, I would use one of these Down for Sound mid ranges right here. That'd be a great option. Little plug there for my own stuff. But yeah, so it's really up to you, but that's what I would do. I do a nice pro audio mid, Down for Sound D4S 60 V2, some D4S tweeters. You'd be good to go. All right, last question. Myra Rivera Fernandez, NSV3 or ZV5? Ooh, this is tough, man. The NSV3, if you've never seen the NSV3 sub, we'll pop that up on the screen right here. We'll grab one off the internet. But the Nightshade version 3 subwoofer had the nicest motor I've ever seen, and it's one of my favorites for sure. So between that and a ZV5, I would personally probably go with the Nightshade V3, because they're going to be, in my opinion, so similar that the Nightshade version 3, just the nice size of, I mean, I would have it inverted obviously, but so we could see that nice booty back there. That's why I would run the Nightshade version 3. Just going to be very similar on between the Nightshade version 3 and the ZV5. So that's why I would run the Nightshade, because to me the motor is way more aesthetically pleasing than the ZV5 in my opinion. So that's what I would do. And that's going to wrap up our frequently asked questions for this session. So again, if you have any questions pertaining to car audio, drop them in the comments below and we will get them answered for you as best as I can. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.